Alright guys, today we are on our way to Cecil County Dragway for the Mitsubishi vs Subaru kind of import battle. It's going to be a car show, there's going to be racing, lots of vendors there. The only thing is, it's 40 freaking degrees and it's supposed to be 20-mile-per-hour winds almost all day long. But I got to run down the street, get some ethanol, get some fuel in this thing. I'm going to meet up with a buddy and we're going to head out. One thing I love about being up early on a Sunday morning, there's nobody on the road. There he is. Alright, now we can get moving. Well, we're here. It's already busy as shit. We're a little late, but the freaking wind is blowing like crazy. People are still showing up. It's ridiculous. Up deciding after all I'm gonna run. Me and Clay are both gonna run our cars, so I know we're not gonna make it very far in any brackets, but to hell with it. Freaking cars waiting to get in the whole way down the road. This is ridiculous.
And they used to you ringing my line, stop wasting my time.
Staging lanes now, getting ready to run. I don't have a mount for my camera, so I guess I can't record it. I used to put my camera in between the headrest on my seat. Now I can't do that, so kind of sucks. Whatever. Alright, so it's the next day. Right now I'm going to show you a recording of my pass. Now I had to wait probably 30-40 minutes for them to clean up the track right before the last few cars went, and I was one of the last people to run in that bracket. So I sped up the video. I put that in here so you can kind of see how long we were sitting there, but sped up so you don't have to sit through it. And then you'll see my video of the pass. Now I had my camera mounted in the back, and when I launched, the camera fell and it ended up like rolling onto like the front, I guess, and then it flipped again onto the right side and was facing the cockpit again. So I'm gonna play that video and then I'll show you the results. Alright guys, so I just wanted to follow up and show you the results, what we got. So 222, that was me. Here we are, 222 right side. Pretty quick reaction time. Quarter mile was 12:305. Now, the only issue with that was I could only run once because anything faster than a 14, they were going to require me to have a helmet. So I didn't have one and they were all sold out, so I couldn't buy one. I'm definitely going to invest in one because I plan on doing some more racing, later on. But yeah, 12.3, that's not bad. I wish I could have broke into the 11s, and I probably could have had I launched it a little bit harder. I really didn't give it, the launch that I should have, but definitely gonna be doing that again soon. So the weather's getting cold. If I can't do it again by the end of this season, I will definitely be back out in the spring doing some runs, and hopefully by then I will have a little bit more done. You know, and hopefully we can pull this off. Now, obviously, I can't do much else without building the motor, but that's not out of reach. That's something that I could possibly be doing here soon. Maybe over the winter I could send the block out, or I don't know. I do have a garage, so I could do it myself, but not sure what I want to do yet. I'm not sure if I want to go the route to build the motor and you know, try and squeeze as much power as I can. Obviously, I'd be worried about the transmission at that point, so I can upgrade the clutch. But with these cars being so much newer, with the FA20, you know, it's hard to determine. You know, there's cars out there making 500 wheel horsepower on a stock block, stock transmission, stock clutch. I mean, awesome, that's great, but you don't know how long it's going to last. And definitely, if I want more power, you know, upgraded turbo, external wastegate, you know, all that sort of stuff, and running higher numbers, I'm gonna need a stronger, you know, motor to be able to street this car. I'm definitely gonna want to have, you know, forged internals, built block, you know, built heads, and then the transmission would be the next weak link, and I'd definitely be worried about that if I started getting into the 500 horsepower range. You know, that'd be a little much. It would be really cool. But I might be getting a new project car soon. Not sure exactly what I'm going to do yet, but if I do get that new project car soon, you know, this will probably go on hold. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet, but definitely this car has not seen the end of it. There's more power to be made. There's a lot more exterior modifications that need to be done, because right now it's sitting pretty as it is, but it definitely needs a few more things for sure. So over the winter, it might not get driven a lot. As you can see out there, it's really hard to see, but there is a 96 Legacy out there. I just got that for the winter to kind of beat on, you know, so I'm not putting too much mileage on this. And then I do have my fiance's Crosstrek here that I drive a lot. So the car is probably going to be on hold for a little while. Probably won't be getting too many more parts. I got some debts I want to pay down. So I can, you know, make sure that I can safely spend extra money on this thing. But it's definitely going to get some more work done. And I really appreciate you guys watching it, watching the videos. It was an awesome time at the track. Pretty soon I will be replacing my Android head unit because it's cracked. Another thing in the near future is I'm either going to be repainting the taillights, or I'm going to be going with the SubiSpeed taillights. Just doing some, like, not so much expensive modifications. I might end up doing like a lip or something. I thought about plasti dipping the car. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do yet, but I'm going to try and stick to cheap and simple modifications, and then give you guys kind of like how-to videos on, like, you know, how I did it and what I did. You know, trying to save money and still have a cool outcome at the end of the day. So thanks for listening to my rant. Obviously there will be more videos coming out soon. And if I'm not modifying the car, you're still going to see the car. I'll upload, you know, 0 to 60s and you know, highway pulls and just videos with the car, you know, regardless. So like I said, thanks again for the support, and hopefully there will be more videos out pretty soon. I am working on an install video for my racing seats, but I haven't gotten that far yet. I'm actually stuck on both the seats are in the car, but I still have to get the occupancy sensor out of that seat and get it mounted in that seat. Once I do that, there will be a racing seat install video up. But yeah, once again, thank you guys for watching. I appreciate the support, and stay tuned for the next one.